Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to block ads on your iPhone 11. So currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and we are currently on the latest iOS version, the iOS 18.3.1. Now, to block ads on your iPhone 11, just open the Settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now from here, scroll down. Now from here, tap on Apple Advertising. Now from here, make sure you disable personalized ads. Now from here, just go back and tap on Screen Time. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Apple Advertising. Now from here, tap on Don't Allow. Now from here, go back and tap on Apps. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Safari. Now from here, scroll down. Now from here, make sure you disable block pop-ups. And this is how you can block ads on your iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.